In front of me is XIAOMI 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Then use this switcher at the top right corner of Bluetooth section to activate it. And wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to and wait for the pop-up. In it, select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!